ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amar Bharata channel, where we are studying the Deepakam class 8 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Saptamaha Pathaha Manjula Manjusha Sundara Surabhasha. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English. If you answer all the questions in this exercise, it will be very easy if we remember the entire song. The song consisting of 4 verses, 4 stanzas in this particular lesson. Munivara Vikasita, Kavivara Vilasita, Manjula Manjusha. I have sung the song in a particular tune. So if you remember in that tune or in any other tune which you like, then it will be easy. Question number 1. Adhav pradattanam prashnanam ekapadena uttaram likhata. Means answer the following questions in one word in Sanskrita. Sundara Surabhasha Kasya Vachanatita. Answer is Mama Vachanatita. Mama is the answer. Samskrita Bhasha Kutra Vijayate. Vijayate Dharayam. The song. Samskrita Bhasha Kasya Asha. Jivanasya Asha. Samskrite Kati Rasaha Santi. Navarasa-ruchira-lankriti dhara. So, Nava. Kasyaha dhvanishravanena sukham vardhate. By listening to which sound will the happiness increase? Samskrita bhashayaha. You should notice one thing. Kasya, mama, same vibhakti, vachana. Shishti vibhakti, ekavachana. Shishti vibhakti, ekavachana. Kutra is where, place. Dharayam, saptami vibhakti. Kasya, again, jivanasya. Shishti, ekavachana. Kati, how many? Nava, 9. Kasyaha, Shishti ekavachana in Strilinga. So here again, Shishti ekavachana in Strilinga. Next question. Adha pradattanam prashnanam purna vakyena uttaram likhata. Answer the following questions using full sentences in Samskrita. Samskrita bhasha kesham jivanasya asha asti. The answer is Vedavyasa Valmiki Muninam Kalidasa Banadi Kavinam पौराणिक सामान्य जनानां जीवनस्य आशा. संस्कृत भाषा एतेषां जनानां जीवनस्य आशा अस्ति. दिस इज द फुल आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. केषां विचाराः जनान् अभिप्रेरयन्ति? वेद उपनिषत् वेदांत पुराणादीनां विचाराः जनान् अभिप्रेरयन्ति. कैः रसैः समृद्धा साहित्य परंपरा विराजते. श्रृंगार हास्य करुण रौद्र वीर भयानक बीभत्स अद्भुत शांत इति एतैः नवरसैः समृद्धा साहित्य परंपरा विराजते. नेक्स्ट. संस्कृत भाषा केषु शास्त्रेषु विहरति? संस्कृत भाषा चिकित्सा विज्ञान खगोलादिषु शास्त्रेषु विहरति. संस्कृत भाषायाः कानि कानि संबोधन पदानि अत्र प्रयुक्तानि? The meaning of this question is, by what all words is Samskrita Bhasha addressed in this particular lesson, in this song? Samskrita Bhashayaha. These are the words which address Samskrita Bhasha. Mataha, Shruti Sukhaninade, Sakala Pramode, Smriti Hita Varade, Sarasa Vinode, Gatimati Preraka Kavya Visharade, Ityetani Sambodhana Padani Prayuktani Santi. These are all the ways by which Samskrita Bhasha is addressed in this particular lesson. Before we go to the next question, some interrogative words or questioning words in Sanskrita. Kaha and ka are who in masculine and feminine. Kim is what in neuter. Kutra is where. Kati, how many. Kada is when. Kutaha, from where. Katham is how. Kimartham, why. Kidrishaha is what kind of in masculine. Kidrishi and Kidrisham are the same thing in feminine and neuter. You need to remember these three tables by heart. Kim Shabda in Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. In Pullinga it is Kaha Kauke, Kam Kaukan, Kena Kabhyam Kaihi, Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhya, Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhya, Kasya Kayo Hokesham, Kasmin Kayo Hokeshu. In Strilinga it is Kake Kaha, Kamke Kaha, Kaya Kabhyam Kabhi, Kasyai Kabhyam Kabhya, kasyaah kabhyam kabhya, kasyaah kayoh kasam, kasyam kayoh kasu. In Napumsakalinga it is kimke kani, kena kabhyam kaihi, kasmai kabhyam kebhya, and so on. Let us look at some examples before we go to the actual question. Let us now see a few examples of how to answer this particular question. The strategy is like this. You need to match the gender, number, and vibhakti of the word with that of the word in the Kim Vibhakti tables. A few examples here. Raja is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Pullinga. So it is Kaha. And Rama is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Strilinga. So it is Ka. How are these coming? Let us see. Prathama Ekavachanam in Pullinga is Kaha. Prathama Ekavachanam in Strilinga is Ka. Next example here. Ramena is Tritiya Ekavachanam in Pullinga. It is Kena. And Sharadaya Tritiya Ekavachanam in Strilinga it is Kaya. How are these coming? Tritiya Ekavachanam in Pullinga is Kena. Tritiya Ekavachanam in Strilinga is Kaya. Next example, Tapovane indicates a location. Saptami Ekavachanam Pullinga. It will become Kasmin, or also Kutra. How is this possible? If you see these words, Kutra is where. So Kutra can also be used here. Sarovarasya, very easy. Shishti Ekavachanam in Pullinga, it will become Kasya. Devan, Ditiya Bahuvachanam in Pullinga is Kan. Dhenunam, Shishti Bahuvachanam in Strilinga is Kasam. Nagarat, Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Pullinga, we can ask Kasmat, or also Kutaha. How is Kutaha coming here? We'll see. Kutaha, from where? So that's also a possible answer to this particular question. Now we go to the question proper. Rekhankita padani ashritya prashna nirmanam kurta. Frame questions using the underlined word. Muniganaha संस्कृत भाषायाः विकासं कृतवन्तः. कस्याः. Who is kasyaha coming? This is Shishti Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Strilinga. If you look at the table, Shashti Ekavachanam in Strilinga is Kasyaha. That's the word to be used. You should not forget the question mark symbol at the end of the sentence. Samanya Jananam Jeevanam Kavyaihi Prabhavitam Asti. It will become Kaihi. Tritiya Bahuvachanam. Next. Kavayah api Upadeyani Kavyani Rachitavantah. This is indicating a type of poem. Upadeyani Kavyani. So it will become Kidrishani Kavyani. What type of poems? So Kidrisham, that word we saw, we should use the same Vibhakti and Vachana. Kidrishani Kavyani Rachitavantah. Samskrita Bhasha Prithivyam. It indicates a location. Viharati. So it is Kutra viharati is a question. Samskrita Bhasha Vividha Bhashaha Pariposhayati. So it is answer is Kaha. Dvitya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam in Strilinga is Kaha. We'll see how this comes. Kaha coming here. As you can see. Vedangadini Gabhirani Shastrani Santi. Gabhirani Kani Santi. That's the question to be asked. I hope you understand how we got the green words in this particular page. Next question. Adhav pradattanam padanam udaharana anusaram vibhaktim vachanam chalikhata. As in the example, write the vibhakti and vachanam of the following. They have given here. Mataha is sambodhanam ekavachanam. Tava is shishti ekavachanam. Manjusha is prathama ekavachanam. Samskritihi is also prathama ekavachanam. Jananam is shishti bahuvachanam. Jivanasya Shashti Ekavachanam. Dharayam is Saptami Ekavachanam. Shastreshu is Saptami Bahuvachanam. Next question. Adholikitanam Padyamshanam Yatha Yogyam Melanam Kurta. Match the following. We remember the song? Very easy. Aima Tastava Poshana Kshamata Mama Vachanatita Sundara Surabhasha Vedavyasa Valmiki Muninam Kalidasa Banadi Kavinam पौराणिक सामान्य जनानां जीवनस्य आशा सुंदर सुरभाषा श्रुति सुख निनदे सकल प्रमोदे स्मृति हित वरदे सरस विनोदे वैद्य व्योम शास्त्रादि विहार विजयते धरायाम Sundara Surabhasha. Before going to next question, a few points here. They have told about Samasa in this particular lesson. Samasa means brevity or conciseness. Two or more words which have a relationship or connection told as a single word is a samasa, something like an abbreviation in English. But this is much more than an abbreviation. The expansion of samasa is called as Vigraha Vakya. They have given some examples here. The samasa is Nadi Tiram and the Vigraha Vakya is Nadyaha Tiram, means bank of everyone. Rajnyah putraha is the vigraha vakya. Rajaputraha is the samasa. King's son. Suranam bhasha, language of the gods, is the vigraha vakya. Surabhasha is the tamasa. Poshanasya kshamata is the vigraha vakya, means capability to nurture. And poshana kshamata is the samasa. Vachanam atita is beyond words. It is the vigraha vakya. Vachanatita is the samastapada. Navasankhyaakaha rasaha, 9 rasas is the vigraha vakya. Navarasaha is the samastapada or samasa. Navarasaihi ruchira is navarasa ruchira. A few more points here. There are different types of samasas which are avyayi bhavaha, tatpurushaha, karmadharayah, dvigoh, dvandvaha, bahuvrihi, etc. They have given these 4 samasas in this particular page. Avyayi bhava samasa, mostly the first word will be an avyaya or indeclinable, like as in Rupasya yogyam anurupam. Next, Tatpurusha samasa. The latter word is the important word. Suranam bhasha, Surabhasha, the language of the gods. Dvigu samasa. The first word is a numeral. Panchanam vatanam samaharaha panchavati. Next, Bahuvrihi samasa. A different word is important, is the implied word here. Pitam ambaram yasya saha is the vigraha vakya, and it indicates Pitambaraha means Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu who has worn the yellow garment. Now we go to the question. Udaharana anusaram adhapradattanam padanam ekapadena artham likhata. As in the exam, write the meanings of the following words in one word. Actually, this problem is about writing the samastapada or the samasa. Devasya alayah, devalayah. Suranam bhasha is surabhasha. Sundari surabhasha is sundara surabhasha. Navarasaihi ruchira is navarasa ruchira. Poshanasya kshamata is poshana kshamata. Manjula bhasha is manjula bhasha. Next question. Petikataha padani chitva riktasthanani pureta. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the box given above. This is again very easy. If you remember the song, it's very easy. Munivara vikasita kavivara vilasita manjula manjusha sundara surabhasha aimatastava poshana kshamata mama vachanatita sundara surabhasha vedavyasa valmiki muninam kalidasa banadikavinam pauranika samanya jananam जीवनस्य आशा सुंदर सुरभाषा श्रुति सुख निनदे सकल प्रमोदे स्मृति हित वरदे सरस विनोदे गतिमति प्रेरक काव्य विशारदे तव संस्कृतिरेषा सुंदर सुरभाषा नवरस रुचिरालंकृति धारा वेद विषय वेदांत विचारा वैद्य व्योम शास्त्रादि विहारा Vijayate dharayam sundara surabhasha. All the 4 verses in this lesson have been put in this one question itself. So it's a very interesting and easy question. Next, adholikita vikalpeshu prasanganusaram artham chinuta. Choose the meaning as per context. Manjula manjusha ityasya arthaha kaha. What is the meaning of this? Kathora bhasha, very difficult language. Shochaniya bhasha, despicable language. Samanya bhasha, very common language. No, the answer is मनोहर रूपेण संकलिता भाषा. नेक्स्ट सुंदर सुरभाषा केशाम जीवनस्य आशा उच्यते. केवलं कवीनाम, only poets will enjoy this language. बालकानाम, boys. छात्राणाम, students. No, पौराणिक सामान्य जनानाम. That's the answer. सुंदर सुरभाषा कुत्र विजयते? Where does it become victorious? आकाशे, in the sky. जलधौ, in the oceans. पवने, in the air. धरायाम, on the earth. That's the answer. Sundara Surabhashayam Kim Nasti. What is not there in Sundara Surabhasha? Shastra Jnanam is there. Vedanta Chintanam is also there. Samskritihi, culture is there. Ashuddhi, impurity is not there. Kavihi, Sundara Surabhasham Kena Padena Sambodhayati. By what word does the poet address this Sundara Surabhasha? Pitaha as the father, Bhrattaha as the brother, Dattaha. No, answer is Mataha as the mother. Now they have given a few poems at the end of this lesson. I'll chant this for you. Matrabhumi sada sevya matrabhasha tathaiva cha bharatam matrabhumirno matrabhasha hi samskritam bharatasya pratishthe dve samskritam samskritis विहाय संस्कृतं नास्ति संस्कृति संस्कृताश्रिता पुरुषाः संस्कृताः सन्तु महिलाः सन्तु संस्कृताः संस्कृतेन विचारेण राष्ट्रं भातु सुसंस्कृतम् संस्कृतं संस्कृतेर्मूलं ज्ञानविज्ञानवारिधिः वेदतत्त्वार्थसंजुष्टं लोकालोककरं शिवम् यावत् भारतवर्षं स्यात् यावद् विन्ध्य हिमाचलौ यावद् गंगा च गोदा च तावदेव हि संस्कृतम्. This brings me to the end of this video, to the end of this lesson itself. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.